Did you see that? What's inside there?
Don't worry. I'll take care of you.
Here you go, little one. Eat as much as you like. Rest small wings in the morning light. Heal and grow, you'll be all right.
Ready? Go on.
The sky's waiting for you.
You're burning up, my love. Just rest.
Ma, it's cold.
Hush now. I'm right here.
What is it, little one?
Those leaves, fever wort. Where did you find this? That's it, sweetheart. Just a little more.
It tastes better than I thought.
You'll feel stronger soon.
Hey, little one. When did you get here? Thanks for waiting for me. Feels like a good day.